Hi, in this video we are going to start implementing the red-black tree from scratch together. So first of all, let's create a new Java project. So Java project. I'm just going to have the name red-black tree. Okay, I would like to change the perspective to Java SE. And basically I'm just going to create some classes. First of all, the package is going to be com.myname.rb3. Then the class name is going to be op. So we have the op.java. Then I would like to create an interface with the tree. Then I would like to have a class representing the nodes in the red-black tree. Then I would like to have another class, basically the red-black tree. Okay, and I would like to create an enum for the color, node color or something like this. Okay, the node color is basically going to have two values, the red and the black. Okay, it is quite simple, let's save it. What about the node? The node is basically have data, so private integer data. We would like to store integers. And we would like to store a node color with the name color. Then I would like to have a reference to a left node. So left child, another reference to another node. It's going to be the right child. And we have to store a reference to the parent. Okay, in the node constructor, basically we are going to get the data itself. Okay, integer data. We just initialize the data is equal to the data. And it's very important that, as we have discussed in the theoretical section, that all the nodes we have insert is basically have the color, node color, red. Okay, so the newly instantiated and the newly inserted nodes has the color red. Okay, then I would like to override the toString method. So toString, and I would like to return with this.data. Of course, we have to concatenate it with some string. Okay, and then I would like to create getters and setters. So source, generate getters and setters for all of these fields variables. Okay, Ctrl-Shift-F to auto format, and basically that's all. The tree is going to contain the features and the behaviors as far as the red-black tree is concerned. So we will have a public void traverse. We are going to implement the in-order traversal, and we are going to have a public void insert. We are going to insert new data, and basically that's all about the methods we are going to have. I should implement the get maximum and the get minimum values, but we have already seen it how to do it in binary search trees and AVL trees. So basically it is a tree-like structure, so it's going to be the same. Okay, what about the red-black tree class? Of course, it's going to implement the tree interface. So first we have to add the unimplemented methods. It's very important that it is a tree-like structure, so we are able to access the root node only. Okay, so that's why we have a private variable root. And basically, we just have to implement these methods. So in the next video, we are going to implement the traverse method. Thanks for watching.